Hello, this is Ivaylov team, and we want to make you short instructions about our new generations of automatic decoders. So this is it. This is the decoder. The visually difference between the new one and the old one, there are very few. The real difference is inside, but you cannot see it. I can show you. This is the new decoder here, and this is the old one. So you can see the numbers. It's different because now we work a little different way with the new decoder, and also here in the new one you have round pins. They're little round on one side, and with the old decoder they're quadra pins. See? So we finish with the old one. I need to show you how to work with the new generation, because many things are stay the same, but some things are a little different, easy, and opening is even more secure and fast than the old one. So again, we start with the resetting of the tool. We have 4 holes on this side and 4 on the other. So with the old tool you need to press the pins like this because of the quadra shape, but now because of the round shape you don't have to do it. So you just push them all the way. They pops out a little, but this is normal. This decreases the chance of stucking of the tool inside the lock. Now the chances are almost 0. So after that, again the back wheel must go all the way left, the gate must stay closed, and we check which is the correct side. If the gate pops out still, this is not the correct side. We must turn it like this. Now the gate is still, everything is okay. Before we start to working with the tool, we need to open the gate. Right now this is the working position of the tool, and we can start the opening procedure. We have 2 different ways now of opening the locks. First way, and the most common way, it's tension left, right. So we have tension left, turn this wheel all the way left, return it, release. Tension right, again we do the same procedure. Tension left, same procedure. Tension right, the tension must be not low tension, must be medium or high tension. So now we open the lock, turn this wheel all the way left, imprint the combination. This is very important if you want to read the code. Now the moving is very smooth. We close the gate, turn this wheel all the way right, and we extract the tool. How we read the code? Like before. You have 4 lines here, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th line is here. So you see every pin corresponds with one of the line. So if the pin is not moving, this is 1. If it's move a little, like line 2, this is 2. For example, this is 4, this is 4. If the pin is go all the way down, this is 4. We check the other side. Again, this is 2, this is 2, 4 and 4. Okay, I will show you the second way of opening. If you try this one 2 times, and it cannot open the lock, you must try the other way. Reset it again. Check every one of the pins is reset now. Close the gate. The back wheel must be all the way right. Check this is the right position. So the second way of opening is only right, like this. Right, tension right, tension right, tension right, and the lock is open. So this is all the difference. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.